If you have about $35,000 to $40,000 ready to drop on a midsize SUV, stop everything and pay attention because today's talk is all about high voltage and pure engineering. No dealership fluff, just the cold, hard facts. I'm speaking to you from Brazil, and let me tell you, we are right in the middle of a massive Chinese car invasion that is completely rewriting the rules of our market. The 2026 BYD Song Pro just hit our streets as the spearhead of this revolution. While traditional brands were sleeping, the Chinese manufacturers took over with a promise that sounds like a typo to anyone who understands mechanics. We're talking about a combined range of over 680 miles and an equivalent fuel economy of about 90 mpge. But does this math actually work in the real world, or is the hit coming after the 8-year warranty expires? I'm Chalub, and today at the lab we're opening the hood, getting under the chassis, and dissecting every part to see if BYD's DMI technology is the future or a high-tech trap. Starting with the exterior from a technical lens, the dragon face design is more functional than aesthetic. At 186.5 inches long, it's larger than most mid-size SUVs out there. And this styling isn't just for show. Every line on the hood and every bumper vent was engineered to reduce the drag coefficient, the famous CX. Why does this matter in a hybrid? Because the less the car fights the wind, the less energy the electric system wastes maintaining cruising speed. And that's where these range numbers that are currently terrifying the competition here in Brazil come from. The build uses ultra-high-strength steel in critical areas of the safety cell, essential for a vehicle carrying the extra weight of a massive battery pack. The 19-inch wheels are imposing, but the secret lies in the low rolling resistance tires, which help efficiency but require care on the lunar asphalt we face every day. Now, let's open the vault and talk about the heart of the machine, the DMI system, Dual Mode Intelligent. Forget everything you know about old-school hybrids, where the engines fight to see who pushes the wheels. Here, the philosophy is maximum thermal efficiency. The 1.5-liter naturally aspirated engine runs on the Atkinson cycle and on its own delivers 98 HP and 91 pound-feet of torque. But it's not here to race, it's a high-efficiency generator. The heavy lifting is done by the electric motor, pushing 197 HP and 225 pound-feet of torque. When the system combines everything, the numbers are impressive. In the GS version, we have a combined output of 235 HP and a total torque of 317 pound-feet, launching this 2-ton SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.9 seconds. In the GL version, due to the smaller battery, the combined output is 223 HP with 301 pound-feet of torque. It's plenty of power for safe overtaking without relying on complex turbochargers. The eCVT system manages this power so smoothly you barely notice when the combustion engine kicks in. It's energy management engineering at its peak. But before I tell you the secret of the battery that doesn't explode and the details that the after-sales might be hiding, I need to have a straight talk with you. I was checking the YouTube metrics and I'm shocked. 99% of people who watch my videos, who learn about real mechanics and use my tips to save money at the shop, are not subscribed. Look, my goal right now is to reach 1,000 subscribers so we can keep professionalizing Chalub Lab and bringing more content to you. If I've ever helped you understand a part, save on a repair, or choose the right car, pay it back now by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the bell. Done? Then let's go. Back to the interior of this spaceship. Entering the 2026 Song Pro is a shock for anyone used to the hard plastic of traditional brands. The dashboard is all soft-touch material with a premium dual-tone design. The famous 12.8-inch rotating screen is the highlight, but what really matters is the processor running the D-Link 4.0 system. It's lag-free, the 360-degree cameras are cinema quality, and the vertical GPS is a game-changer for anticipating turns. In the back, the floor is completely flat because there's no transmission tunnel, allowing 3 adults to travel with real dignity. And we have the cherry on top, the VTOL system. This car is a mobile power bank. You can plug in a coffee maker, a drill, or even rescue another EV using the stored energy. But none of this would be worth it without the Blade battery. While the competition uses batteries that can catch fire in an accident, BYD uses lithium iron phosphate chemistry. The Blade battery passed the nail penetration test without smoke or explosion, staying at stable temperatures. Plus, it's a structural part of the chassis, increasing torsional rigidity and stability. It's rated for over 5,000 charge cycles, meaning this battery can easily last over 15 years while maintaining health. Regarding maintenance and after-sales, which is where things get tight, BYD is investing heavily in the Brazilian network and a local factory to mitigate the fear of parts shortages. Maintenance on a plug-in hybrid is actually cheaper in the long run. Brake pads last 3 times longer due to regenerative braking, and the combustion engine suffers much less wear because it works less. Compared to rivals, the Toyota Corolla Hybrid wins on the unbreakable reputation. But next to the Song Pro, it looks like a museum piece. It lacks the electric range and the 235 HP punch. The Haval H6 is a strong competitor, but the Song Pro focuses on cost per mile efficiency, being a smarter plug-in for severe urban use. The Chalub Lab verdict is clear. If you want the peak of current engineering without buying outdated technology, the 2026 Song Pro is the technical choice. It solves the range issue, delivers real thermal safety, and outclasses the finish of brands that are stuck in the past. If you made it this far, you're part of the mechanical elite. Comment below, would you trade traditional brands for this Chinese tech? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so we can hit 1,000, and I'll see you at the next breakdown.